Hello guys. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and in today's video I'll be explaining to you guys how my team and I grew 2,700 rand to over 6,000 rand in a matter of 2 days. So guys, for proof quickly, as you can see here, I opened these trades on the 12th of this month and today is the 14th of June as I'm recording this video. So that's basically roughly 2 days of holding this trade. Well, I need you guys to understand two things. We trade supply and demand, and number two, we are predominantly swing traders. So yeah, let's get into the charts quickly. So we are now on the weekly time frame of Euro USD, and I'll just explain to you guys how we actually got to taking the trade. So basically we took our trade based on this supply zone over here, this purple supply zone over here, right? So this is where we took our trade and we took sells basically, right? So we took our trade based on this purple supply zone, which is a sell zone, and we entered sells. So how our strategy basically works is we first identify a higher time frame zone, of which we did here on the weekly time frame of Euro USD. Number two, we go to a lower time frame, which will be our entry time frame, and there we look for significant break of structure, right? So significant break of structure meaning a break of structure that takes out at least 2 to 3 previous structures, right? So this was the strong move that we were looking for after our purple zone was tested, as you can see. And this here, the red arrow from the beginning to the end of the red arrow, is our impulse move, right guys? So an impulse move clears previous structure. Now previous structure is right here. Let's just make that a different color. That is our previous structure, right? That was our previous higher highs and higher lows, and we wait for price to take that out first to confirm that we are indeed about to change the trend, right? And this is the move right here. This is the move that took out previous structure. This move right here in green, right? This move was our move that cleared the previous structure on the left. And then after that, we wait for a retest of that break of structure, and then we enter our trades, right? As you can see, after the retest, we entered our trades right here. As you can see, we have our sell trades, and then we place our stop loss above the test of that impulse move, right? So let's go over our rules again. We go to the higher time frame, which is the weekly in this case. We look for a higher time frame zone, be it a supply or a demand zone. In this case, it was a supply zone, right? The supply zone was tested. We went down to our entry time frame. On the entry time frame, we look for a strong impulse move clearing previous structure, which happened. The strong move cleared all previous structures, and then we wait for the retest, and then we enter. So that is basically how my team and I trade the markets, right? And also we will be holding these trades for the next coming week or two till we get a new lower low, right? We want price to break this low right here. This low represented by the green line right there. So after price breaks that, we will then trail our trades accordingly and then wait for price to give us yet another lower high, and then we look for a supply zone so we can take our next sells. So guys, that is how we entered our trades, and also that is how we were able to grow 2.7 to 15,000 rand, close to 16,000 rand. Let's just say 16,000 rand in a matter of 2 days. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys do want to join our team, the link to our website will be in the description box. If you do want to contact me or follow me on social media, I will just link my Facebook profile also in the description below, and also I'll just put my profile, the screenshot of my profile on the screen at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. This is White Collar Forex, the home of professional trading, and I'm out. Happy trading.